Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Explorer.
You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices.
This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options:
Hill descent control, remote engine start,
traction control,
stability control, roll stability control, sports suspension, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.